In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make quiz on Mailerlite. We'll build a simple, effective quiz inside an email campaign, capture answers with custom fields, and set up basic segmentation so you can follow up with the right content. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard and head to the campaigns area. Create a new campaign, then choose your campaign type. For this tutorial, select a regular campaign. This is the best fit for sending a one-time email that includes your quiz content. Next, enter the template gallery. Look for the category labeled Survey and Quizzes. This section includes layouts that already contain the building blocks you'll need. Pick a template you like and choose to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, add your quiz questions. Mailerlite offers blocks such as multiple choice, drop-downs, radio buttons, and short text answers. Keep your questions clear and concise. For example, if you're running a "What type of creator are you" quiz, your first question might offer options like blogger, YouTuber, designer, or marketer. Multiple choice and radio buttons work great for single answer questions. Drop-downs are tidy if you want to save space, and text fields are perfect when you need an open-ended response. As you build, preview on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything is easy to tap and read. To store answers for future targeting, set up custom fields. In a separate tab, go to Subscribers, then Fields, and click Add Custom Field. Create fields that match the data you want to collect, such as quiz result, interest, or skill level. Keep names short and consistent so they're easy to reference later. When you return to the editor, map each question's response to the appropriate custom field. This way, every click or entry updates the subscriber's profile. With fields in place, plan how you'll act on the data. Use groups, segments, and automations to organize and follow up with subscribers. For example, if someone selects marketing, add them to a marketing group. If they choose design, place them in a design group. You can then trigger tailored emails, deliver specific lead magnets, or personalize future campaigns based on these interests. Start simple and expand as you learn which answers drive engagement. When your questions, design, and field mappings look good, click Done Editing to save your work. That's it. You've created a quiz inside a Mailerlite campaign, set up custom fields to capture responses, and laid the groundwork for segmentation that turns clicks into meaningful conversations.